Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a special video about a billing related query. Okay, this is like a very small introduction about how you can able to use your available credit for an optimal usage. Okay, we have seen that the peoples has added a lot of money like $100, $500, $1,000. So here I would like to share you one factor. Okay, so we have a by default setting. In that by default setting, we cannot able to directly deduct your credit for paying the unpaid invoice. So that clearly means if you wanted to pay your invoices, you can able to use this credit. Okay, but it has to be done manually. How you can able to do, I will let you know in this video. Always make sure that try to renew your service before expiry. So in this case, let me check the invoice. So here you can able to see that the last date of the invoice is 19th of January. So if you wanted to renew this service, you just have to go into your invoice and you have to click on this apply credit. Wait a minute, I would like to share a lot of factors here. So here the invoice got paid. So that means if you have a fund, go to the invoice and you can able to use that invoice for doing a payment from your credit. So that means your available credit cannot be directly deducted automatically. Okay, if you wanted to do the automation, you can contact our support department and just let them know that, sir, I wanted to use auto renewal policy for my credit, available credit. So that time we will do the auto deduction policy, because we have seen that the reason is very clear. We are the most popular reseller hosting providers. So that means from us there are a lot of companies are actually purchasing a web hosting and they are selling to their clients. Okay, so that means if their clients is not wanted to renew, so if we set the auto renewal process, so that time money get deducted. Because of that, we have disabled this feature that is called as auto deduction from your available credit. So whenever you wanted to do the renewal of your service and have a credit, so you can use this credit for a renewal of your service. Okay, so for that there are two options. First one is a manual, that is by default enabled for all users, and second one is auto renewal process. For that you just have to create a support ticket to a billing department. They will set auto renewal for your available credit.
Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update.